Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use the Waybien Ads interface efficiently. We will quickly go through the most important pages, so you know where to find the right tools faster. So let's get started. Here we are on the Waybien Ads homepage. This is the first page most users see when they visit the platform. From here, you can quickly understand what Waybien Ads does, who it is for, and where to start. At the top, you can see the main navigation bar. This is one of the most important parts of the interface. It helps you move quickly between the main sections, such as products, pricing, catalog, resources, login, and start advertising. When you use the platform, always start by checking the navigation bar. It gives you a clear overview of where everything is. Now, let's look at the products section. Here, you can find the main parts of the Waybien Ads platform. The most important ones are the Waybien search engine, the advertiser section, and the channel owner section. If you want to run ads, you will mainly use the advertiser tools, the catalog, and the search engine. If you manage a Telegram channel, you will mainly use the channel owner section. This makes the platform easier to navigate because every user can quickly find the part that matches their goal. Next, let's go to the catalog. The catalog is one of the most useful pages on Waybien Ads. Here, you can explore available channels and communities. You can search, filter, and compare different channels before choosing where to advertise. At the top, you can use filters such as platform, country, language, channel type, topic, and member count. These filters help you find channels that match your target audience. This is important because even a good ad can perform badly if it reaches the wrong people. So, use the catalog to compare channels and select better placements for your campaign. Now, let's move to the Waybien search engine. The search engine helps you find channels and communities faster. Instead of checking everything manually, you can search in a more structured way. This is useful when you already know what type of audience, niche, language, or region you want to target. The main advantage is speed. You can search, check results, and move closer to launching your campaign without wasting time. Next, let's look at the advertiser section. This page is mainly for businesses, marketers, and projects that want to promote their content. If your goal is to run ads, this is the section you need. Here, advertisers can learn how to create campaigns, choose audiences, and select communities where their ads can appear. You can use automatic placement if you want Waybien Ads to help find relevant communities, or you can use manual selection if you want more control over the channels you choose. Finally, let's look at the FAQ and resources section. This is useful when you have questions or when something is not clear. You can find information about campaigns, targeting, channel submission, and how the platform works. So let's quickly recap. Use the home page to understand the platform. Use the navigation bar to move faster. Use the catalog to explore and compare channels. Use the search engine to find relevant communities faster. Use the advertiser section if you want to launch campaigns. Use the channel owner section if you want to submit your channel. And use the FAQ section when you need extra help. That's how you use the Waybien Ads interface more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.